Ah, the joys of summer. It's that time of year to hit the beach, soak up some sunshine, and just enjoy life. Hey everyone, I'm Deborah, the content manager at Autoshop Solutions, an automotive marketing agency specializing in websites and digital marketing solutions. Today, we're discussing the summer season and what that can mean for your auto repair shop. The warmer temps increase the number of people on the road, bringing an ideal opportunity to rev your marketing game at full throttle. Connect with your new customers, boost your shop's business. You want to know how? So you could launch a summer service campaign, attract customers, and boost your shop's revenue, develop a campaign that highlights summer specials, create social media posts, or email campaigns and showcase services such as AC checkups, oil changes, or brake checks. Make your business stand out with eye-catching signage. How about a win banner that draws attention to your business, advertises offerings, and differentiates your business? You can use bold colors, make your banner pop. Everyone on the road will see your shop, and it's an inexpensive way to advertise your business. Ramp up your social media presence. Summer is a prime time for long road trips and vacations. Utilize your social media to showcase your services, share customer reviews, photos, videos, or create attention-grabbing content. Consider running social media ads or highlighting a summer contest. Host a community event. This summer, host a community event to promote your auto repair shop in the community. You can partner with a local car wash or another business, host a giveaway and raffles, provide snacks, refreshments, and showcase your shop's services. Create video content. Showcase your auto repair shop and services that highlight your technicians or provide valuable automotive tips. Post your videos on social media or your website to drive traffic to your business. The summer season is perfect for showing off your auto repair shop, gaining customers, demonstrating your expertise, and standing out from the competition. So put the top down, put the pedal to the metal, let your hair blow in the wind, and push your marketing full throttle. Thanks for watching today. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have a question you would like us to feature in an upcoming Autoshop Academy video, submit your ideas through the link below or shoot us an email.